In the last video, we covered float data type. Now we will discuss the Python's special data type, that is complex data type. Don't feel complex means difficult. It is nothing. Complex means a number system, and it is specialty, and its specialty is to develop scientific calculations, mathematical calculation, electrical calculation. The complex data is very important. But in C++, Java, we do not have like this complex data type. Now, what is the syntax for complex? It is simple. A plus bj. That means A is called real part, B is called imaginary part, J value is J square. J square or J equal to square root of 1. Okay, minus 1. Okay, J square equal to -1 or J equal to square root of -1. Now you may have a small doubt, is it compulsory J in my mathematics? Because somewhere I use in schooling I as a I symbol used like that. It's because in school days we mentioned I, but in this complex it is mandatory J only acceptable, either uppercase or lowercase. If you enter I or any other letter, it will definitely throw an syntax error. I'll show you the thing. A equal to 10 plus 20j. It is acceptable. If I mention I, it will throw a syntax error. So A equal to J. Now I print the value of A. 10 plus 20j. Okay. You can also check the type of A. This complex data type. Are you clear, guys? Suppose assume that I want the real part, not the imaginary part. What should I need to mention? I need to mention print of A dot real 10.00. It will explain. And the imaginary part I need means A dot imag 20.00. Are you clear? Up to this you are all clear, right? Next important is first part is real and second part is imaginary part. For this, if we want to we take int values, if we want we can take float values, no problem. Okay, we can also mention like x a equal to 10.5 plus 20.5 j. It is also acceptable. But here on small twist is that in real part we can represent in either decimal or binary or octal or hexadecimal. But in imaginary part only decimal is acceptable. Octal, binary or hexadecimal is not acceptable. Remember that. I will show you that. A equal to real part I am mentioning 0 O octal number plus 20j. It is acceptable. If I try to mention here I am entering the octal number 0 B 1010J, it will immediately throw a syntax error. So the hexadecimal binary octal is not acceptable in the imaginary part. Are you clear, guys? Let's assume I have two imaginary parts. One is A equal to 10 plus 20j, B equal to 30 plus 40j. I mean, two complex numbers are there. Can I perform arithmetic operator between these complex numbers or not? Yes, we can happily perform the arithmetic operators. like a plus b or a minus b, a into b, everything is acceptable. Now what about the internal values, how this operation going to work? We are not required to worry. It is just for mathematical purpose and complex number. This is about basic introduction of complex data types. Are you clear, guys? Thank you for watching this video.